How to report a comment on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to report a comment on TikTok. It's so easy. All you need to do is follow those steps I'm gonna give you. First thing, go to your TikTok, and now I'm playing videos, and click on comments. If you don't like a comment, all you need to do is keep clicking on the screen and click on report. Now you should select the reason why you're gonna report this comment: hate speech or anything. You can also click on more and choose the reason. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.